with the jack. Before lifting the jack or lifting the car, you should unlock the wheel nut first of all. Now you lift the car. In hydraulic braking system, this is Maruti 800 car. The front section is disc and rear section is drum. First of all, we open the wheel and I am showing you there the discs are here and some component are there. Now, before open the wheel, first of all, for safety purpose, we have to use axle stand also. This is the axle stand and which I place here. You can place any supporting bar or I am also placing anti-show bar which is also placed here. Now we open the wheel. Now this wheel I am placed here for safety purpose. Now in the hydraulic brake system, this is the rotor. And this one here you see the line, the bendy pipe line are here, and also the hose, flexible hose are there, which is joined by the bendy pipe, and which is come from to the front wheel cylinder, right side front wheel cylinder. Now this one is the wheel cylinder, and this one is rotor, this is black back plate, this one is caliper unit. Okay, now I am this is also caliper pin, and open it. Now here this is the caliper unit and this is the wheel cylinder. This is the wheel cylinder and those are two pad which is those are two pads which is on the rotor. And if I place that is the position when the brake when the pressure come up through brake line, the cylinder are pushed to the pad. When the cylinder pushed to the pad, the rotor is also rotate. When the pressure is come up, it will force to the brake pad, and brake pad also braking the rotor unit. Whenever the rotor are stopped, that means total wheel are stopped. Now this one is this is called pad. Okay. So this one on the right side, this one on the left side, both pad. You see, this is the pad. There is the line in pad. There is the liner. You also check the thickness. You can check the thickness whenever it is below to the margin point. Then it should be replaced. And this is the caliper boot. This is also the caliper boot, and inside when I open it, see, this is the caliper pin and this is caliper boot. Caliper boot it is essential for greasing to easy movement or easy moving, because this is the floating type caliper. Now I am attaching here. বন্ধ করো। Advantages of hydraulic brakes. Hydraulic disc brake dissipate the heat thoroughly and distribute heat more evenly than the traditional brake system, which means the hydraulic brakes are more likely to last longer. Second, the hydraulic brake system including power, accuracy and efficiency, and also is to maintenance by which the can be controlled very easily, and the large amount of power can be generated by the system. The brake fluid also acts as a lubricant and reduce the frictional loss at high speed braking. And last of all, the multiplication of driver effort. The hydraulic brake is more efficient than the mechanical brake. Higher mechanical advantages are occurred. And disadvantages of the hydraulic brake systems: there is always the possibility of oil fluid leakage, which can render the system inoperative or compromise the function surface, the friction surfaces. That means if the fluid or oil are leakage from the hose or any particular connection at particular position location, what happens? It is drop the pressure and inoperative conditions are created. Extreme heat may cause the fluid to boil, forming gas bubble which compress and can't transmit pressure efficiently. Sometimes if the fluid are heated so much, what happens? The internal composition or internal characteristic of the brake oils are calm down. So the pressure transmit ability also deteriorate at time. Third is environmental factors such as moisture can deteriorate the hydraulic fluid over the time and cause corrosion and failure of the internal component. That means it is the most essential thing. If the hydraulic cap remain open, what happens? The internal character of the hydraulic fluids are become down. So it is essential to maintain the preservation of liquid system, because if it is open to atmosphere or it is contact to the atmosphere, so moisture can react with hydraulic fluid, and the internal property become low. So the internal failure, internal corrosion may be rise in the brake pipe.